Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones BeoPlay8Sport to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. If you have Android, click connected devices, not Bluetooth, and then click pair new device. Now it should enter to prank mode automatically. But if it doesn't, just press and hold both touch buttons on your headphones until LED light it starts flashing blue, like I have right now. Now click on your headphones on the device list. And we should make it again. Here we go. Now I click here. And we're connecting it. Now hide the settings and open BeoPlay application. Now click here. Later. Next. Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!